Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine, and as I have makeup, I'm going to remove my makeup, but first thing to remove my jewelry and just make sure that I am free and ready to do my nighttime skincare routine. First thing, I like to use a cotton swab together with this Garnier Bio Micellar water. This water is amazing. It's gentle on the skin, so if you have sensitive skin, this is perfect. And also another thing I like about it is you can use it both on the eye areas and also on the lips. So if you have a tendency of having like dry lips after using some micellar water, sorry, this is a good one. It is bio and it's amazing. The next step is cleansing. I like to use this my cleansing brush together with Garnier Bio lemongrass cleanser. This is gelish, it's nice, it's calming, and also it removes all the impurities, leaving your skin fresh and also very clean and fresh. So I like to just clean it like twice. I got this from TikTok from some lady that if you cleanse twice, especially if you had makeup, it makes your skin like you not have any breakouts, because all the impurities, all the dirt from the makeup from the day are all out. Cleansing twice. This is just if I had makeup on during the day to just make sure the skin is nice and clean. So the next step I like to do is to pat dry my skin with a paper towel. I learned this, I think, here on YouTube, that when you do that and there's less movement as opposed to using a towel, when you just have to, keep moving, and it makes your skin a bit damp before you apply your skincare. The next step is I'm using a serum, and this is my favorite lemon serum. It's almost over, guys. As you can see, it's almost over. I need to get another bottle, but yeah, so I like to just pat it, and this helps with clear skin, especially if it is, we are in between, cold and warm weather, like now in spring. This is perfect, like really good, and you can find this on Amazon. I will put a link down on the description box for you guys if you're interested. This is chef's kiss. The next step is a moisturizer, and I'm using this collagen moisturizer that I've been using lately, especially in the night. It leaves my skin plump and also gets rid of wrinkles around my forehead. I don't have like significant wrinkles, but I am trying to avoid any kind of wrinkles, so smile more and don't frown, okay? So yeah, it's really nice and smooth, absorbs super good, super well on the skin, and it leaves just the skin feeling woo, beautiful. I leave my moisturizer to settle for like 2 minutes, and then I come in with this Garnier Bio also Canapa oil. This one is just it's the main cause of this of this whole process. I like it so much. It is one of those products that I wish I could have used earlier, and I recommend it highly. If you are looking to have that, it's good for the night. for the day you look too much greasy, but this is a good product to use, especially in your nighttime skincare routine. It's for any skincare type, so try it if you want. The last product I like to apply under my eyes is an under eye gel. This is a vitamin C under eye gel, and it just helps you to wake up like you are fresh, you know, so that all those puffiness and dark under eyes are going to be sorted. And you need your rest, guys. I always say you can do all your skincare and everything, drink your water, have some rest, and eat well. This is the recipe. Obviously, this is a way that I give myself self-care every night. It can take up to 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, depends how you are doing it. But I highly recommend, if you haven't started a skincare routine, to try and start giving yourself a bit of tender loving care, like, you know. So the last product I use is this lip scrub, which is an oil and sugar lip scrub. This I got it from Primark. And finally, guys, I like to use this Carmex lip care balm. It is amazing. It's nice in the night. It leaves your lips nice, supple, and smooth. I use it also during the day and also under. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know on the comment section what's your ideal night skincare routine.